No, not like this.
Gosh, it's getting everywhere.
We have a major superstorm forming.
Emergency alert. Superstorm approaching fast. Take shelter immediately.
Did you hear that?
What is going on?
Oh my goodness, what is happening?
Faster than predicted. Faster than predicted.
We need to go! Grab everything you can.
Move! We need to go now! Run!
Can't you see the storm is coming?
The storm is growing rapidly.
Second warning, danger at maximum level.
Get in, quickly, everyone! Move! Faster, team, move those bags!
We need more here! Help! Over here, please!
Superstorm has made landfall. Everyone be careful.
Help us, please!
I can't hold on much longer!
We need to find shelter. Please, help us!
We need to move these vehicles. The water is rising too fast.
We're trying, but the engines are flooded.
We will make it.
We will make it.
We need to clear this sector quickly.
Do you see anyone in those windows? We need to find shelter! Look, it's getting closer. Run, keep going! Just hold on!
Is that a helicopter? They're here.
Hello? Is anyone there? Hello, is anyone here? Can anyone hear us?
We are initiating a search pattern over Grid Sector 7. All personnel remain vigilant.
Get him in, quickly, everyone inside!
You are going to be just fine. We'll get you through this.
Don't worry, we are here to help.
Here is some bread and water for you.
Thank you so much.
Over here, keep looking. Clear this section quickly now.